YouTuber woobers. So it's finally turning. And it's windy out, so it does work. I can kind of hear like a mild thumping in the underneath the house. Kind of told me that it was probably working. Big Blue, yeah, not so much, but yeah, it's a pretty thing. For all the naysayers that drive by and say, I never see it moving. Yep. You can see it's the Missouri Wind and Solar Freedom with the Falcon 80-inch 5 blades. It has a Belgray mounting assembly. It gives a little bit of a tilt upwards, so it gets the air better, the wind better. And then I've used the Missouri Wind and Solar tail. Yeah, my little wind station, which maybe I should put it up higher, put another length on it, put it up higher, because it's probably not a really good thing. And of course, got my TV antenna up there. I get 6 stations. ABC, Fox, and 4 public television stations. It's about all I'm going to get. And then next to that is my radio antenna for my emergency radio. Being up this high seems to have its limitations of everything, and of course, oh, don't forget, we've got fall. As you can see, it's pretty blustery here. Yeah, so it's sweet to see it go. Ta-ta.